In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use volume profiles on TradingView. The goal is to get the indicator on your chart quickly and show you how to read it with confidence. First, open TradingView in your browser and pull up the chart of any market you want to analyze. Stocks, crypto, futures, or Forex all work. Pick a time frame that matches your style, like the 5-minute for intraday or the daily for swing trading. A clear time frame keeps the profile more meaningful. Next, click the indicators button at the top of the chart. In the search bar that appears, start typing volume profile. You'll see TradingView list a few related tools. Choose volume profile to add it to your chart. If you don't see it, your plan may not include every profile type. The default options are usually available and updating plans is optional. Once you click it, the profile will appear along the right edge of your chart as horizontal bars. That's your confirmation it was added successfully. Here's how to interpret what you're seeing. Each horizontal bar represents how much trading volume occurred at that specific price level over the visible portion of the chart. Longer bars mean more activity, areas where buyers and sellers agreed on price. Shorter bars mark pockets of low participation. Most profiles highlight a single longest bar, often called the point of control. That prices the sessions or visible ranges most traded level and can act like a magnet during consolidations. The thicker cluster around it is commonly referred to as the value area, typically covering the bulk of traded volume. Prices moving away from value into thinner zones may either reject and snap back or trend quickly until they meet another high volume area that can slow price down. A few quick tips to use it well. Zooming in or out changes the visible range, and the profile recalculates instantly, so line up your zoom with the period you actually care about. For quicker context, note where price sits relative to the point of control. Above suggests buyers recently held the advantage, below suggests sellers had it. Combine the profile with structure like swing highs and lows and let it refine your support and resistance rather than replace your plan. Backtest your approach and always size positions responsibly. That's it. You've added volume profile and know what it's telling you at a glance.